Video puno kong nandun sa taas. Para ma-emphasize ka dito, indog po. Emphasize ka po. Kanta na ba yun?
Some people close their eyes. Some people stand standing. This is by. There are no guarantees. There are no alibis. That's how our love must be. Doing this why it takes some time. God knows how long. I know that I can forget you as soon as my heart stops breaking anticipating. As soon as forever is true, I'll be over you. Remembering the times gone by, promises we once made. What are the reasons why nothing stays the same? There were the nights holding you close. Someday I'll try to forget them as soon as my heart stops breaking anticipating. Soon as forever is true, I'll be over you. Please like this. It's me, Troy Bernessa. As soon as my heart stops breaking anticipating, someday I'll be over you. As soon as my heart stops breaking anticipating, someday I'll be over you. As soon as my heart, whoa, wait sala. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means moving on. There are just some things that are not meant to be. Sometimes we have to move on no matter how hard we have to fight ourselves to do so. Moving on is a simple thing, but it lives behind his heart. Behind his heart. The practice here can escape the past by moving on, it just moves with it. Often, the thought of pain is actually worse than the pain itself. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Letting go has never been easy, but holding or can be as difficult as strength is measured. Not by holding and by letting go. We must be willing to let go of the life we have planned. So don't accept the life that is waiting for us. Every exit is an entry somewhere.
Jerry.
Thank you very much. Please like this video. Day, mana day?
Dislike mo ya.
Day. Di mana day?
What? Get out of my way.
Flip sa bagyot.